Shout out to all my members of the Pauline MM vlog. Walking muna ako. Checking na naman sa sa garden. The pool. And the pool cleaner is running. Look at guys, it's a beautiful white flower. Ano ito yung kapitbahay namin, yung meron silang parang vine tree. Yan, na nandito na sa yard namin. But it's pretty. Look, there's yan ang father ng kapitbahay namin. So yung nila, so it's going inside our fence. So that's the flowers, diba? It's pretty. Yan ang gumamila plant ko guys. So kind of fuchsia pink na may something kind of yellow inside. Hindi ko pa sure. Ito pala kasi still closed. Yan pala ang niya kulay. Ready. I-trim ko sana ito but there's lots of buds. Sayang naman. And this one here, it's a peach color. Look. Hindi pa siya nag-open kasi pa. Malamig pa kasi. Yan. There's one here, lower. See? Nice color. It's pretty. Nako, parang forest na itong yard namin Ayan guys, may mga small fruits na ang grapefruit. Marami naman. Look. Yeah. Yan, marami na namang bunga. Oh, mayroon pa yung mga old niya na prutas. Andyan pa. Kukunin ko pa yan at itatapon kasi old na yan. Tsaka marami ng bunga na naman guys. Oh. Parang ito na lang ang ko Parang na lang. Look at that over there. Very high.